Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video on CRM, Customer Relationship Management, or like I like to call them because it's more than just customers, I like to call them Contact Relationship Management because I put all my contacts in those kind of tools. I will tell you later how I manage my own CRMs. Why I'm doing this video on CRM is simply because any small business owner who wants to scale their business, who wants to grow their companies, need to stop using contact lists and start using CRMs. Here is why. Because when you use a CRM, you are able to categorize your contacts. You are able to prioritize who you need to contact first. You are able to see very quickly on an overview and dashboard who is going to become a customer, how likely it can become a customer, what you said in the previous conversation. You can keep a history of that. You can keep a summary of who is this person. And most importantly, it's not displayed as a list. It can, because you can find list views on CRMs, but most of the views will be Kanban views or graph or charts that helps you to find your potential leads or your potential customers or simply people that you want to keep connecting with. I will explain also a little bit later on how I categorize my contacts. Now, this is how you should use your CRM. Your CRM should be used as a way to connect with people. That means you want to keep the information of each person that you connect with. So their name, their email, their websites, their phone number, maybe some links related to their personal profile. It can be their LinkedIn or their Facebook profile. And after that, you want to have a very important field that I would call next action date. This next action date, if you fill it consistently with any contact that you have in your contact list today, you will be able to turn this into a priority list of contacts that you need to have a next action today, tomorrow, the next day, the next month, the next 6 months. How does it work? It's simply like I'm working on with my contacts today. If I need to recontact someone at a certain date, because there is a specific thing we said we will do, then I put the next action date to that specific date. What happens is days pass, and then I'm arriving on the day I need to recontact these people. I will just get a notification from my CRM. Hey, these are the contacts that you need to recontact. And I just go through that list. It takes me 15 minutes. I recontact them, reconnect, check up on what is the update on specific things that we said, and that's it. And I'm using it, wait for it, for my family. I'm using it for my friends. I'm using it for my potential customers. I'm using it for my partners, random people that I meet. I try to put all the information possible that I have on them, plus the next action date. And sometimes I cannot define the next action date because it's very hard. But I put something like wishing them Happy New Year, or I put something like if I know their birthday, those kind of good occasion to reconnect with people. And it's super simple to use. And why small business owners need it? Simply because small business owners in 2024 are bombarded with new connections on a daily basis. So that means you want to make sure that you create valuable connection. You want to make sure that you don't forget anyone, any potential lead, any potential partner, any potential source of good connection. And so you can add these people to your CRM. And then on a daily basis, check who you need to contact next. And you don't even need to remember to connect with these people. You just put the next action date with a specific date. And on that date, you will get the reminder of who you need to connect with. And I think if you use that kind of advice for your business now, it will avoid to have people added as business cards that stay in a junk drawer, or people added to your notes, or in an agenda to say, hey, you need to reconnect with this person, and then you need to find their email, you need to find the things. No, in the CRM you can put all of that and it stays at the same place. Of course, there are other ways to organize your contacts in a CRM. I haven't talked about the different methods to turn a random person in that CRM into a customer. I will do this probably in another video, but note that if you start feeding your CRM with contacts and with this next date of action, then you will start seeing benefits of using it from today. Next, it can be how to actually complexify a little bit the tool so that it actually suits with your sales process, or it suits with your real intention that will help your business to generate leads. But for today, I think this is enough. You need to just understand how to use a CRM and what is a CRM. All right, I'll see you tomorrow for another video. Bye guys.